Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here. Today we are talking about shoes for fall, and specifically, in my case, shoes that I can comfortably wear around Italy because I am going to be in Italy for 2 weeks in October, almost directly followed by a long weekend in Vegas. So I'm putting my feet through the ringer this fall, and I need shoes that are going to keep my feet in good shape because I am very prone to foot pain. I had already been browsing the VIVAIA website because I had heard how comfortable their shoes are when they reached out to me and offered to send me a few things to check out. So I would like to run through those shoes with you guys and we can take a look at what they've sent. I'm going to tell you all about them. They also sent me some really cool leg warmers I want to show you guys, and then we can style up some outfits that will hopefully serve as some fun fall inspiration for you guys, but are definitely going to serve as some Italy outfit planning for me. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first shoes I want to show you, we're not getting an unboxing of because I've already taken these for a spin actually with this outfit I'm wearing today. If you couldn't tell from the red and the red, these are the perfect shoes for today's outfit. These are the Yansy shoe, and they're called a Jogger Re-Nylon Sneakerina. A sneakerina because they're kind of a ballet take on a sneaker. So these are the Yancy's in the brick red color, and they are dyed with really high quality natural dyes. These are $159. This design comes with 2 sets of laces. So you have your standard laces, and then you have this really beautiful sheer ribbon lace. So you can switch them in and out depending on your mood. I personally really like the combination of both. The Yansy is sculpted and softly padded for comfort. So they're great for walking, and they're great for travel because they fold up and they're super lightweight. Like, these are so light. And as if all that wasn't great enough, they're machine washable. I will find a way to ruin every shoe I own. It will get scuffed, it will get dirt on it, I will trip, I mess up everything. So the fact that I can machine wash these is brilliant. I love that in a shoe. I also want to note, and this goes for all of the shoes, I got them in a 37 because I have a little teeny tiny foot, and I would say they are all pretty size accurate and spot on. It fits perfectly. The next shoe we are going to get a lovely unboxing of. This is the Pro Walker Lace Hybrid Mary Jane, which comes in 3 different varieties, the Isabel and the Isabelli, but I have the Ivy here to show you guys, and I've got her in the white lace, which you have to see. It's really pretty. Here is what she looks like, and I'm gonna try and really get the camera to, there we go, focus in on that lace. It's so ornate and really, really pretty. I think something like this is going to mesh really well with when I take a more casual wear on some of my Zimmermann dresses. Just that really pretty feminine ornate lace. It's just gorgeous. So the Ivy shoe is $159, and this is fun. They are a Velcro closure. The Mary Jane strap is Velcro closure, which, like, work. The less work I have to do to get in my shoe, the better. So this shoe is a hybrid design, playing heavily on ballet core, which is super trendy right now, mixing it with a really sporty bottom, like a super sporty sole. So you get this really cool juxtaposition of sporty and feminine. So this shoe is made with a really roomy toe box for extra comfort while walking, and they're great if you have a wide foot. The inside of the shoe is made with 2 levels of arch support. There's actually a good bit of cushiness here in the heel and throughout. This is going to be really comfortable for extended walking days. I'm really, really excited to give these a whirl in Italy because we are going to be walking our butts off, and on cobblestone too. I'm not gonna lie, I think I prefer the Yansy aesthetically, but I have a huge gut feeling that these are gonna become one of my favorite shoes. They just look so comfortable, and they're incredibly lightweight too. Like, this weighs nothing. I'm so excited to give these a test run. The last pair of shoes I have to share with you are actually a boot, which is very exciting. These are the Everly. They're a round-toed, chunky platform travel boot, and they are in the color brown. Now the Everly are specifically considered a travel boot, and there's 3 reasons for that. First of all, they are incredibly lightweight. Much like the other 2 pairs I've shown you, these are some of the lightest shoes I've ever felt, especially considering that this is a boot. Now granted, if you're traveling on a plane specifically, I'd probably wear these onto the plane because obviously they're a boot, they're going to take up a lot of room in your luggage. But if you have room in your luggage, these are not going to add to the weight, and you could pack a little more other fun stuff because these are so incredibly light. The second reason is that they are water repellent. So if you happen to hit a rainstorm, water should beat up and roll right off. And I have to tell you, as someone who has been caught in a blizzard in Lithuania in shoes where the sole literally completely separated from the boot, having dry feet while you're traveling, don't take it for advantage of it. Don't take it for granted. Like, it is so important to have dry, warm feet when you travel. And these boots will definitely help to keep your feet dry. And the third reason, which you may have noticed if you saw me flip the shoe up this way, these blue lines right here. These are the flexible, chunky V-Pro walk sole. So basically what these do is provide solid support, outstanding shock absorption, and sure-footed traction. So it should alleviate some discomfort and fatigue that comes along with heavily walk-filled days, and especially as someone, I have all this life experience in this category, as someone who literally has done Disney, no, that's a lie, Universal, and most of Italy the first time around in cowboy boots. You want something comfortable if you want to be wearing a stylish boot. If you insist upon wearing a stylish boot while in your travels, you need them to be comfort-minded. So I'm very excited to give these a go. And I'm excited to style these up because VIVAIA was kind enough to send me 2, not 1, but 2 pairs of leg warmers to play with these. Did I mention these were $229? I don't remember, but that's the price. So let's take a look at these leg warmers and then let's make some outfits together. First of all, I love that they come in these bags because these would be great to hold on to for travel. You could actually put a pair of shoes in one of these. I hate putting my shoes in a suitcase just like with nothing around them, like raw dogging a shoe in a suitcase and it's touching everything else. That kind of drives my mind bonkers. But these are great little cases to hold on to, these bags. So here's the first pair. This is in cream. They're so soft. And here is our second pair. This one is an oatmeal. And the leg warmers are $49 each. Okay, let's get to styling some fun outfits. So the second I saw the Ivy shoe, I immediately in my mind pictured it with my newest Zimmermann dress, which is obviously gorgeous and will be perfect for the week that we are at the villa for my friend's wedding and all of her wedding activities. But I am traveling in a carry-on. So 2 weeks in a carry-on, that means you're repeating outfits. So I was thinking these would be perfect for dressing down this beautiful Zimmermann dress for a day of sightseeing in like possibly Rome. Okay, so this may be a hair fancy for like walking around the arena floor of the Colosseum, but I could feel this for touring the Borghese Gallery. Let me show you guys. I think I love these 2 pieces together. I mean, I think it's super cute. What do you guys think? This is going on the pack list. I like it. So I'm filming this video over the course of a couple of days just because of daylight restrictions. Like, I don't always have the best light in this room. And I was wearing these shorts today and I thought, I wonder what the boots look like with the shorts. I feel like that could look really cool. And it does. I love them. There's like kind of a campy, not campy, but like going camping sort of look. I sort of love this. This is really cute. Kind of obsessed. Do we see how the leg warmers look with this? I think we probably should. Okay, I know I said the point of this video was the style of looks for Italy, and I don't know if I'd wear this in Italy, but I still think it's really cute. Like, this is adorable. Okay, realistically, this is probably more likely something I'd wear in Italy than that cute little shorts outfit, because I am a comfy dresses girl. That's just who I am in my soul. So, and actually I really like this outfit for a busy day at work too, so I'm gonna keep it in mind in the back of my head for that too. But it's just a nice billowy comfortable dress, and the boots, so comfy. These boots really are comfortable. I could definitely see myself walking on cobblestones in these and being really confident that I'm not gonna fall right on my face. I actually think that the red shoes, the Yancy's, would look good with this dress too. And now that I'm thinking about it, I think that I'll just grab them. I think these would look good with this dress too. I think this dress would actually look great with all 3 pairs of the shoes that I got from VIVAIA. Okay, we're already here. I figured why not try them all. So here are these. They do look great. Maybe this dress is just like that item that looks great with everything. So cute. We're 3 for 3 on this dress and these shoes. I mean, come on. These are the ones you wear when you go to, like, run your errands. You're hopping by the pharmacy, you're going to the grocery store, stopping by the post office. So cute. Backing into the closet. Just love these. So cute. So I have worn these shoes out already, and I styled them with like a more casual outfit, so I wanted to see how they looked with a cutesy little dress, and I think they're adorable. For me, what really makes these a seamless fit into my wardrobe is the sheer ribbon laces. I feel like that is making it girly enough to really fit into my type of aesthetic, which does lean on the girlier side. And they're so cute and so comfortable. I wore these out. I literally wore these all day yesterday. I wore them out last night. We were hopping around the neighborhood from one adult beverage facility to another, and it was just like the best night. And my feet never hurt once. They were so comfortable. And they're so cute, and I got like multiple compliments on that outfit yesterday, so I think the shoes had something to do with it. Very cute. And I'm definitely taking this dress to Italy. It is so airy and light and comfortable. And I don't really care if I am the only person in a dress on these tours. That's how I'm comfortable, so I'm gonna do me. Amanda from the future here, realizing I did not film an outro for my video, so silly me. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed taking a peek at some of these gorgeous new VIVAIA shoes. I'm so grateful to have received them and got to play with them, and I can't wait to start incorporating them into my wardrobe and wearing them into fall. They're all so cute. Hope you enjoyed my styling, and if you'd like to get your hands on any of these beautiful VIVAIA shoes or boots, then you can use the coupon code down below in the description box to get a discount on yours. I'll have them all linked down below as well, so you can click straight to your favorite shoe or leg warmer. And thanks for watching. I'll talk to you all later. Bye.